The average person in the UK and US will lose over £100,000 in their lifetime. Not to a financial crash, not to bad luck, not to a single catastrophic decision. To 10 small, quiet, completely normal mistakes. The kind that don't feel like mistakes when you're making them. The kind that feel like just life. Paying the minimum on a credit card, leaving money in a current account. Auto-renewing your insurance. Not starting a pension until your 30s. Each one on its own feels manageable. Each one added together over a lifetime costs you a fortune. And the most frustrating part? Not one of these is complicated to fix. None of them requires a financial advisor or a degree or a high salary. They just require knowing what they are. So in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you all 10. What they are, what they're costing you, and exactly how to stop making them. Starting today. 10 mistakes. Each one costs money every single month you keep making it. Each one has a straightforward fix. We're going to go through all 10, fast, clear, no filler. Some of these you'll recognize immediately, some will surprise you, and at least 2 or 3 of them, I'd be willing to bet, are costing you money right now without you realizing it. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, only paying the minimum on your credit card. This is the most expensive habit most people in the UK and US have, and they don't even realize it's a habit. On a £5,000 credit card balance at 22% interest, paying only the minimum will take you over 15 years to clear and cost you nearly £4,000 in interest alone, on top of the £5,000 you already owed. The fix? Pay more than the minimum every single month. Even £25 extra changes the trajectory dramatically. Even £50 extra cuts years off the repayment. Mistake number 2, leaving your savings in a current account. Most UK current accounts pay 0% to 0.5% on savings balances. Meanwhile, easy access savings accounts at Marcus, Chase UK, or Chip have consistently paid 3% to 5%. In the US, most big bank savings accounts pay under 0.5%, while high-yield savings accounts at Ally or Marcus US pay 4% to 5%. If you have £5,000 sitting in your current account, moving it takes 10 minutes and could earn you £200 extra per year in interest. That is free money for doing almost nothing. Mistake number 3, auto-renewing your insurance every year. Insurance companies offer their best prices to new customers. If you auto-renew, you are almost certainly on a loyalty penalty, paying more than a new customer for the same product. Car insurance, home insurance, contents insurance. Set a calendar reminder 1 month before renewal date every year. Get a new quote on a comparison site. Use that quote to either switch or negotiate your renewal down. The average UK household saves £200 to £400 per year by doing this. Per year. Every year. For doing 15 minutes of work. Mistake number 4, not having an emergency fund. We've talked about this before on the channel, but it keeps making the list because it keeps costing people. When an unexpected expense hits and there's no emergency fund, the money comes from somewhere. Usually a credit card at 22% interest, or an overdraft at £1 to £3 per day, or a payday loan. Each one turns a £500 emergency into a £700 problem, and then a £900 problem. Build the buffer first. Even £1,000 covers the vast majority of emergencies. Everything you save after that doesn't go to fixing crises, it goes to building wealth. Mistake number 5, not maximizing your workplace pension match. If your employer matches pension contributions up to 4% of your salary and you are contributing less than 4%, you are leaving free money on the table every single month. This is not a nuanced financial decision. It is free money that your employer has agreed to give you that you are not taking. On a £30,000 salary, a 4% employer match is £1,200 per year in additional pension contributions. Left over a 30-year career with investment growth, that unclaimed match could be worth tens of thousands of pounds or dollars. Log into your workplace pension portal today and check. If you're not getting the full match, increase your contribution immediately. Mistake number 6, lifestyle inflation. This is the quietest wealth destroyer on the list. Every time your income goes up, a pay rise, a promotion, a better job, your spending goes up to match it, automatically, without a decision being made. The new salary arrives and within 3 months it feels exactly as tight as the old one did. The fix is intentional. When your income increases, direct at least half of the increase to savings or investments before lifestyle adjusts to the new number. Pay yourself first from the raise. Spend the rest however you like. This single habit, applied consistently over a career, is one of the most powerful wealth-building moves available to an ordinary person. Mistake number 7, waiting to invest until you have more money. The most common investing mistake is not picking the wrong fund. It's not starting. Every month you wait to invest, you lose compound growth you can never recover. A 25-year-old who invests £100 per month will retire with more money than a 35-year-old who invests £300 per month, purely because of the 10 extra years of compounding. You don't need more money to start. You need to start with whatever you have. £25 a month in a stocks and shares ISA is infinitely better than £0 a month waiting until conditions are perfect. Mistake number 8, keeping all your money in one place. Current account for day-to-day spending, high-interest easy access account for your emergency fund, stocks and shares ISA or Roth IRA for long-term investment. These are 3 different jobs that require 3 different accounts. Keeping everything in one current account is like using a hammer for every job because it's the only tool you own. The right account for the right purpose is one of the simplest and most impactful structural changes you can make to your financial life. Mistake number 9, ignoring your pension until your 40s. Every decade you delay starting a pension roughly halves your eventual pension pot due to compound growth. Starting at 25 instead of 35 with the same monthly contribution doesn't just add 10 years of savings, it adds exponentially more because the early contributions have decades longer to compound. The state pension will not be enough. Your employer pension alone may not be enough. Your own additional contributions started as early as possible are what close the gap. Mistake number 10. Making financial decisions based on emotion. The market falls 20% and you sell everything. You see a hot investment tip and move money into it immediately. You get paid and spend impulsively because it feels good for 48 hours. Financial decisions made in emotional states are almost always worse than decisions made with a plan. The fix is structure, a budget that you set in advance, an automatic investment that happens before you can spend the money, a rule that you never sell an investment during a market drop. Emotion is not the enemy. Making financial decisions in the grip of it is. 10 mistakes, and if you look at all of them together, there's a pattern. None of them is dramatic. None of them happened on one bad day. None of them required a single catastrophic decision. They all happened quietly, in the background, because nobody set up a system to prevent them, because financial life, left on autopilot, defaults to the most convenient option rather than the best one. The most convenient option is usually the most expensive one. The minimum payment, the current account, the auto renewal, the one account, the delayed pension, the emotional reaction. Every single one of these is the default, the thing that happens when you don't make an active decision, the thing banks and insurance companies and employers are counting on you doing. The fix for all 10 of them is not discipline. It's not willpower. It's structure. A system that makes the right financial decision happen automatically so that the default becomes the correct thing rather than the convenient thing. That's all personal finance is. Not intelligence, not income. Structure. 10 mistakes. All of them are common, all of them are fixable. And the £100,000 figure at the start of this video, that's what they cost over a lifetime when you make them all and never address them. That's the bill for the defaults. But you've just spent 8 minutes doing the work most people never do. You know what the mistakes are. You know what they cost. You know how to fix them. The only thing left is to actually do it. Pick the one fix from this video that applies most directly to your situation right now and do it today. Not this week, today. Now, drop a comment and tell me, which of the 10 mistakes are you currently making? Just the number, 1 through 10. Or if you've already fixed one, tell me which one and how you did it. I read every comment on this channel and your answer is going to tell me a lot about what to cover next. So, which number is yours? Share this with someone who needs to hear it, because the odds are someone in your life is quietly making at least 5 of these right now and doesn't know it. I'm Charlie. New video every Thursday. See you then.